Hi, this is Litre Parts Pro. Today with 2024 MGHS stock number 7312. It's ran from the 9th 2019 to the 12th 2024. There's an SGE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the SGE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left down headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.